po tayo rito sa iConnect at dahil likas sa mga Pinoy ang maging updated sa mga showbiz happenings.
Ang makakasama natin ngayon ay mula sa nagpasimuno ng isang entertainment portal.
Tama, at ginamit nila ang power ng internet upang mas makapaghatid ng mga fresh and juicy showbiz stories.
Hindi na po natin yan patatagalin mula sa PEP o Philippine Entertainment Portal. Let's all welcome Jocelyn Dimaculangan, Nerissa Almo at Karen Pagsulingan.
Hello! Woo! Hello po!
Welcome po dito sa iConnect.
Masyado po tayong madami, pero hello po, hello.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay, let's start po. Paano po ba nagsimula ang Philippine Entertainment Portal or PEP?
It was in 2006. I remember we first put out yesmagazine.com.ph. It was with Neri. There were just 3 people working on it. 2 nababad sa editorial. And it was already doing so fine, 100,000. It had reached 100,000. And then Liza Gohong Wei told me, Karen, can you just meet up with these guys? So it was around July. There were 7 of us. When we decided to just let go of the yesmagazine.com.ph and form an entirely new but more comprehensive website. And that became Philippine Entertainment Portal. But it's technically the portable, but what Yes Magazine couldn't cover, like the updates, the scoop, kasi it releases once a month. So by the time they release a story, medyo luma na. So what they cannot cover because of the time component, it's on PEP.
Ano po ba ang nakita nyo sa internet na wala sa ibang medium like TV, radio, and newspapers?
In the case of PEP, it's glossy magazine and TV in a sense, although we're actually affiliated with the technical arm of GMA Network, the GMA New Media. Pero at the time, it was really popular already. Yung Facebook, popular na siya, and the route, at the time it was predicted that the route is to go digital. So everyone else, including the advertisers, they were already forming their own websites.
Pero yung response po ng mga tao sa site nyo, at how did it fare?
When we started, we were barely known so we had to introduce ourselves, and then yun nga, as Karen mentioned, mga 100,000 lang dati, yung 100,000 readers lang or views lang yung nag-visit. Then we grew our network. We got exclusive stories.
Paano nyo po ba nakukuha yung story nyo sa PEP?
We have different sources kasi, like press cons, tas minsan may mga nag-feed, di ba? Minsan nababalitaan mo, pero hindi naman agad-agad nilalabas namin. Most of the time, kailangan i-verify muna kung tama yung nakuha naming information. As much as possible, kung sino yung mga taong involved, dapat nakakausap namin. If not, yung related sa kanila, yung malapit sa kanila. Sinusunod pa rin namin yung basic journalism, kung paano mag-gather ng news info, paano mag-verify, mga ganun.
The philosophy that we abide by, nibali nang mahuli ng konti, basta tama ka. Whatever Yes Magazine applies, the same set of rules, the same set of editorial values and principles, ganun din. There's no reason kung bakit hindi rin ma-apply sa PEP.
Ano po bang responsibilidad ng pagdating sa pagbibigay ng impormasyon sa publiko po na nagbabasa po at tumatangkilik sa website niyo?
It's not something that has to be taken lightly. Just because you can put out a blog anytime or you can post something on Facebook and Twitter, yeah, sure, you have freedom of expression, but you have to remember, especially if you're a TV personality, that you have to be responsible for whatever that you put out there.
Ano po ba sa recollection nyo yung 3 pinakamalaking showbiz scoops nyo so far?
Yun nga, yung una namin is yung Gretchen Barreto talaga, before yung sa microwave issue. Kasi yun talaga yung parang, in a way, nagpakilala sa PEP.
Okay.
Nakakuha kami ng maraming readers.
Paano po ba nyo nakuha yun, actually?
Matagal siyang ginawa.
It was, well,
madaming...
First, naging blind item siya. And then, the same contributor who wrote it as a blind item sa ibang publication, wrote it for PEP. And then at that time, Yes was having a magazine shoot Yes Magazine was having a shoot with Gretchen Barreto. And then I told our editor-in-chief, Joan Maglipon, Madam, can you ask her about it? That same night, nasulat namin yung story. Kasi she never replied to it. She never replied, or she didn't even know that there was such thing, no? And then she got interviewed right then and there. And then nung gabing yun, we put out that story. I think we left around 3 a.m.
3 a.m.
The second one, I think, would be, we weren't launched that yet, no? We weren't launched yet, no, that time. And then, February was our official launch. Doon din nangyari yung month na yun, yung Chris Aquino, James Yap, Pope Centeno. That really became big. Kasi, in collaboration naman to with the other medium, like Star Talk, ganyan. So, parang we didn't realize na as we were developing the story, parang may batuhan na pala. Okay, sige, mauna kayo. Sige, ganyan. So, parang, ang ganda ng synergy actually. Nung nahanap yung picture, nauna sa amin, ganyan. Sige, yung totoong tao, sige sa inyo, ganyan. Although sila talaga yung nakahanap sa tao si Manay Lolit. Ang laki nun kasi 4 million. 4 million yung page views namin that
For
month.
that article.
Yeah, and our quota was 1 million, I think, for the entire year. Pero 4 million because
4
of Chris Aquino. And then the last was, the most recent siguro would be
John Lloyd and Shaina. Matagal na usap-usapan na on the rocks yung relationship nila. But we confirmed it through sources.
Yeah.
Close
And
to the
also,
couple.
Shaina gave,
Yeah.
the Chinese camp gave us their statement confirming na totoo nga. And they wanted to keep it private.
What is your message na lang po to everyone who reads you, like all your online readers and of course to all the netizens out there? Ano po yung message nyo?
Well, lahat naman tayo ini-enjoy yung showbiz news, no? Masaya siya, pero we just want to let them know na there's a serious, it's a serious task as well, na yung mga pep sources, sasabi ng mga pep sources, sino ba yan? Yung mga But really, these are really real people na talagang, they would tell us, sige, talagang isusugal ko ang pangalan ko dyan pag halimbawa nagka-leche-lechehan or whatever.
They are insiders talaga
Yeah,
who trust us with the information.
If they say naman na sorry, hindi ko mapapanindigan, we won't put it out just for the sake of being the first to break the scoop. But if they say no, tataya ko ang pangalan ko dyan, then we would. So totoo yun.
Ma'am, Miss Nerissa, Miss Karen, Miss Josie, can you invite your you have 40 million readers,
Page views.
40 million page views per month.
Yeah.
Would you like to plug your website?
Yeah, can you
We'd
invite
like
each and
to
everyone?
like to ask everyone to like our Facebook page. It's www.facebook.com/pepalerts, and also our Twitter account, www.twitter.com/pepalerts also. So right now we have 400,000 followers, 102,000 followers sa Twitter, and sa Facebook naman it's almost 100,000.
100 na lang, guys.
Para million na.
Pag umabot ng 100,000, i-date.
Josie
ang isa sa
Yan, narinig
800.
yun na.
Yan, guys,
Follow Pep on Facebook and Twitter.
Like Pep on
Facebook
Facebook and follow them on
them on
Twitter.
Twitter.
Kung ano lang po, kung gagawa kayo ng news story, mabilis lang po, tungkol sa iConnect, ano po bang ang mababasa ng inyong mga readers doon?
Wala bang love angle sa inyo?
So single ka ba? Ikaw ba single? Are you single?
Meron po actually love, brotherly love.
Pero ikaw, bakit hindi ba pwede?
Tropa.
Sorry. No, ganun po nagagayuma din po ako minsan Pero,
Sige, so i-pep alerts na natin.
Gawa mo siya ng flip top? Kaya mo ba?
kaya ko pong hindi po kaya.
Siya. Sige, sample.
Siguro, next time po pagtatrabahuhan po natin yun. Well, thank you again very much, Miss
Thank
Karen,
you.
Miss
Maraming
Josie, Miss
salamat po.
Neri.